take this question. It is an LAQ from binomial theorem. So if 36, 84, 126 are three successive binomial coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, then find n. Now you see, we know that 1 plus x whole power n equals c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus so on up to cn x power n. Let the three successive binomial coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1. But what is given to us? NCR minus 1 is 36, NCR is 84, NCR plus 1 is 126. Let us take this as equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Now we will divide equation number 2 by equation number 1. So what do you get? NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to 84 by 36. Now what is the formula for NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. By what is NCR minus 1 factorial? N factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial is equal to, if we cancel this, 12 3s are 12 7s are. So that is 7 by 3. N factorial get cancelled. So if I take the denominator up, we will get n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to 7 by 3. So let me write this last statement again. So we got n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to 7 by 3. Now let us see how to solve this further. So now you see, from n minus r plus 1 and n minus r, which is greater? N minus r plus 1 is greater. So the greater one we will simplify. So n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial we can write. See why? Because 5 factorial we can write it as 5 into 4 factorial, or we can write it as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, or we can write it as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. So this is the concept, okay? And now from r and r minus 1, which is greater? R is greater. So we will write r minus 1 factorial as it is. Now in the denominator, I will write n minus r factorial as it is. And we will write r factorial, we can write it as r into r minus 1 factorial. That is equal to 7 by 3. Now r minus 1 factorial cancel. N minus r factorial cancel. Now you understood why I have solved it in this way, so as to cancel the factorials. So now we will write n minus r plus 1 by r is equal to 7 by 3. Now let us cross multiply. So we will get 3n minus 3r plus 3 is equal to 7r. So we will get 3n plus 3 is equal to, I am taking this minus 3r that side. So 7r plus 3r will become 10r. So we want to find out r value, that is 3n plus 3 by 10. Let's say this is equation number 4. We got r value in terms of n. Now, like we have done 2 by 1, we will do 3 by 2 now. 3 divided by 2 we will do. So what is 3 divided by 2? Third equation is NCR plus 1 by NCR is equal to 126 by 84. Now again we are applying the formula. What is NCR formula? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. So this is N factorial by N minus R minus 1 factorial into R plus 1 factorial by NCR is N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Now if we cancel this by 2 table, we will get 42 here and 63 here. Then again if we cancel by 3 table, 14 za, 21 za. Then again by 7 table, 7 2 za, 7 3 za. So we got it as 3 by 2. So now over here n factorial cancel. Now we take the denominator to the numerator. So we will get n minus r factorial into r factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial is equal to 3 by 2. Now you see from n minus r and n minus r minus 1 which is greater? Obviously n minus r is greater. So how can we reduce this? N minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial. Now between r and r factorial, r plus 1 factorial is great. R plus 1 is greater. So we write r factorial as it is. Okay, the smaller number we write as it is, the bigger number we reduce. So n minus r minus 1 factorial and r plus 1 we have to reduce till r. So r plus 1 into r factorial. Why we have done like this? Because we need to cancel factorial and factorial. R factorial cancel, this factorial cancel. That is equal to 3 by 2. So n minus r by r plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Cross multiply 2n minus 2r is equal to 3r plus 3. Now take 2r that side. 2n minus 3 is equal to 5r. Now we got r value. See the equation number 4. We got r value. 2n minus 3 is equal to 5 into 3n plus 3 by 10. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are. Cross multiply. 4n minus 6 is equal to 3n plus 3. Take 3n this side minus 6 that side. So 4n minus 3n is equal to 3 plus 6. So n is equal to 9. We got n value. Now substitute n is equal to 9 in equation number 4. What is equation number 4? R is equal to 3n plus 3 by 10. So that is 3 into 3 plus 3 by 10. That is 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 3 is 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is 6 by 5. Okay. So if they ask R value, we need to do till here. But in this question, they asked only N value. So just if you write till here, it is enough.
Yes.
Now take this question. Find the sum of the infinite series. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus so on. So first let us write the given series. So let the given series is, we denote it by S. So S is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus so on. Now comparing with 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square plus so on. This is the standard form. So over here you can see in the place of nx, you have 1 by 3. So we write nx is equal to 1 by 3. This is equation number 1. And in the place of n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square, you have 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. So n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 x square is equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. So now if we multiply, we will get, now see from here you have x square. 1x I am writing along with n. So nx into n minus 1 into x by 1 into 2 is equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. Now this x I will take inside the bracket. So nx into nx minus x by 1 into 2 equals 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 threes are. But we got nx as 1 by 3. So we will substitute here. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus x equals 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 get cancelled. 1 by 3 minus x is 1. So x is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1. That is minus 2 by 3. So over here you got the value of x. So x equals to minus 2 by 3. Now substitute this x value in equation number 1. You will get n value. So n into minus 2 by 3 equals 1 by 3. 3 cancel. N is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you got x value and n value both. Now we will substitute it in the standard form. So s is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. That is 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2. So to remove the negative power, we take the reciprocal. So that is 3 power 1 by 2, which is equals to root 3. So therefore, we write the final conclusion. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 6 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus so on, which is equal to root 3. Now take the next question. Find the sum of the infinite series. So first let us write the given series. Let the given series is S is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus so on. So if you compare with the last question, in the last question you have 1 plus. But over here you don't have 1 here. But in the standard form you will have 1. So we have to add 1 on both sides. So adding 1 on both sides. So we get s plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus so on. Now we are comparing with the standard form. What is the standard form? 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square plus so on. So if you compare these two equations, in the place of nx you have 3 by 4. Let us take this as equation number 1. And in the place of n into n minus 1 into x square by 1 into 2, you have 3 into 5 by 4 into 8. Now this 1x I will take inside and 1x I will write along with n. So that is nx into nx minus x. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Cancel. So that is equal to 15 by 16. Now in the place of nx, we can substitute 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 minus x. equals 15 by 16. So 3 ones are 3 fives are 4 ones are 4 fours are. So you will get 3 by 4 minus x equals 5 by 4. So x equals 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4. That is minus 2 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we got x value. So now we need to substitute this x value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is nx is equal to 3 by 4 and x value we got it as minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So n is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now you got x value and n value both. Therefore, we got s plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. No. So that will be 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 by 2. That is 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 by 2. And that is equal to 2 power 3 by 2. Because to remove the negative power, we need to do the reciprocal of the bracket. So that is equal to 2 cube whole power 1 by 2. 2 cube is 8 power 1 by 2. That can be written as root 8. So s plus 1 is equal to root 8. So s is equal to root 8 minus 1. Now root 8 can also be written as 2 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1. So you got s value, which means you got the expression value. 3 by 4 plus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus so on up to infinity. So you got the value for the infinite series. Sum of the infinite series for this question is 2 root 2 minus 1. Now take this question. This question is very, very important. If t is equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on up to infinity, then prove that 90 is equal to 16. So what is given to us? T is equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on up to infinity. So over here you can see 1 is missing here. So we add 1 on both sides. So adding 1 on both sides. So you will get t plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 4 by 5 plus 4 into 6 by 5 into 10 plus 4 into 6 into 8 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on up to infinity. Now comparing this equation with 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square plus so on. So you can see in the place of nx you have 4 by 5. This is equation number 1. Now in the place of n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 x square, you have 4 into 6 by 5 into 10. Now 2 ones are 2 fives are. And this 1x I will take inside. So nx into nx minus x is equal to 24 by 25. Now put nx value here. So 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 minus x is equal to 24 by 25. Now 4 ones are 4 six are. 5 ones are 5 fives are. So 4 by 5 minus x is 6 by 5. So you will get x is equal to 4 by 5 minus 6 by 5. So x is equal to minus 2 by 5. You got x value. Now substituting this x value in equation number 1. So n into minus 2 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. 5 cancel, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So n is equal to minus 2. So now we need to substitute x and n value in the equation. So we got t plus 1 is equal to, what is the equation we got? 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n. So we got x value as minus 2 by 5 and n value as minus 2. Minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 2. Now this is 3 by 5 if you take the LCM. To remove the negative power, we write 5 by 3 whole square. So that is 25 by 9. And t plus 1 is 25 by 9. So t is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1. That is 25 minus 9 by 9. That is 16 by 9. That is t. If you cross multiply, you get 90 is equal to 16. This is the required solution. Hence proved.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take the next question. We have x is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus 1 up to infinity. Then we need to find 3x square plus 6x. So first let us write down what is given to us. X equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on up to infinity. So if you compare this with the standard form, you can see that 1 is missing in the RHS. So what do we do here? We add 1 on both sides. So you get 1 plus x equals to 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus so on up to infinity. So now we need to compare with 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square plus so on up to infinity. So you can see in the place of nx you have 1 by 5. Take this as equation number 1. And n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square is 1 into 3 by 5 into 10. So now I take 1x in the bracket and other x I will write along with n. So we get nx into nx minus x. Over here we can cancel 2 ones are 2 5s are. So that is equal to 3 by 25. Now from equation number 1, we have nx as 1 by 5. So I'm substituting here. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 minus x is equal to 3 by 25. Now 5 ones are 5 5s are. So 1 by 5 minus x is 3 by 5. So x is equal to 1 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So x is minus 2 by 5. After getting x value, we substitute it in equation number 1. So n into minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. 5 5 cancel, n is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you got x and n values. So now we need to substitute this x and n value in the equation which we got. So we got 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. So here 1 plus x is equal to x is minus 2 by 5, n is minus 1 by 2. So minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 1 by 2. So that is 3 by 5 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 1 plus x is equal to 5 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. Now if you square on both sides, you will get 1 plus x whole square is equal to 5 by 3 whole, like square and 1 by 2 will get cancelled. Now 1 plus x square plus 2x is equal to 5 by 3. Now you cross multiply. 3 plus 3x square plus 6x is equal to 5. Take this 3 that side. So 3x square plus 6x is equal to 2. This is the required answer. Now take this question. This question is very, 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 very important. Nearly appeared 7 to 8 times in boards. And last year, like this year also, this question came in the March paper, regular paper. TS March 25. So first let us see how to proceed. So given x is equal to 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus 1. So as you can see the previous problems, like in the numerator and denominator, you will have one term first, then two terms, then three terms, then four terms. But here it is starting from two terms. So which means one term is missing and one is also missing. So what terms are missing here? We will add on both sides. Adding 1 plus 1 by 3 on both sides. Because the first number should be 1, then 1 by 3, then 1 into 3 by 3 into 6, then 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9, like that, so on. So this term is missing in the RHS. So we are adding this term on both sides. So 1 plus 1 by 3 plus x equals to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus so on. So if you add these two terms, you will get 4 by 3 plus x. That is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 9 plus 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 plus so on. Now we need to compare with 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 x square plus so on up to infinity. So you can see in the place of nx, you have 1 by 3. Take this as equation number 1. And in the place of n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square, what do you have? You have 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. So 1 into 3 by 3 into 6. 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So that will be nx into nx minus x is equal to 1 by 3. Now in the place of nx, we can substitute 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus x is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 cancel. So you get 1 by 3 minus x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1. That is 1 minus 3 by 3. That is minus 2 by 3. So you got x value. Now we will substitute x in equation number 1. So you get n into minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 3 cancel. You get n is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you got n value. Now what is the given expression? 4 by 3 plus x. So now 4 by 3 plus x is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. So 4 by 3 plus x is equal to 1. In the place of x, we put minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2. Now 4 by 3 plus x is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 4 by 3 plus x is equal to 3 power 1 by 2. So 4 by 3 plus x is equal to root 3. Now we need to take LCM. So 4 plus 3x by 3 is equal to root 3. So if you cross multiply, 4 plus 3x is equal to 3 root 3. Now we square on both sides. So you will get 16 plus 9x square plus 2 into 4 is 8. This is 24x is equal to 3 root 3 square is 3 square is 9. 9 threes are 27. So now 9x square plus 24x is equal to 27 minus 16. So 9x square plus 24x is equal to 11. This is the required answer.